Hi Eagles! Irma here. Let's talk about the spelling bee. The quiz is divided into 4 sections: multiple choice, true or false, unscramble, and filling the blanks. All of the words on the quiz are from your resources and are available on our website. Once done, the quiz is graded and the top 6 scorers from 6 different countries are selected to join the showcase round. This round is not part of the total score, but has its own prizes for the top achievers. The showcase takes place on our global final stage. Spellers can ask for a definition, an example sentence, and a part of speech for their given words. They can also ask for the word to be repeated. Answers must be given in this way: eagle, E-A-G-L-E, eagle.